Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Traveller. This is a 16-seater van that has high ceiling or bubble ceiling. It has the powerful Cummins engine, which is a world-class engine. The price of this van is 1,495,000 pesos SRP. This is a 16-seater, and that's a 14 or 15-seater. So let me show you guys around. Let's start from the headlight. It's a nice headlight with chrome. Fog light for tow hooks. The windshield wipers with windshield nozzles. Chrome side mirror. This is a 15-inch alloy wheel with disc brake. Fuel cap. See? Cummins 2.8 with chrome door handle. This is how the door panel looks like. Power door lock and unlock. With power windows. Window lock and unlock. Side mirror adjust. This is the 2.8 Cummins engine. It's the engine is situated right under the front seats, and this one has a purpose. I never knew that that was the purpose in the N350 video. Okay, we have some door pockets, compartment with speaker, and there's a step board or step that you can step on. The clutch, the brake, and the accelerator, UBD. So you have your gas cap release and your hood release. Even the engine is right below the seats. You can access the front like that for your fuel, for your fluid, water and aircon and all that. That's nice. Okay. You can adjust the steering wheel. Instrument cluster adjust, air vent, instrument cluster, light leveling, hazard, comes with airbag for the driver and the passenger, air vent, compartment. This is a manual transmission. Wow, and there's light also there, which I like. Your audio system, your air condition system, ashtray, 12 volt, defoggers, on and off for the blowers at the back, and on and off for the light in the cabin. So there's a compartment here. It has a huge glove box, and there are also more spaces that you can store there. 12 volt here, grab handle, map light, room mirror, sun visor in the driver's side. The sun visor for the passenger side has a mirror, which is really nice. That's high ceiling, really high ceiling. Your handbrake is like this. So you have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. And this can be folded, and it will reveal, of course, it will reveal the cup holder. I will show it to you later. I cannot do it with one hand. Let's go to the back. So this is how the side looks like. It's really tall, really tall. You see that? Then you have some decals. Let's open the door. There's a light over there for your tools, step board, child lock, grab handle, another grab handle, really spacious. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and they can be reclined. So this is the inside of the Traveller, and you have sliding windows, emergency glass breaking tool, you have air conditioned vents, and if you fold the center seat, you have your cup holders and other compartment. This part is for your fire extinguisher. So there you go. See how high the ceiling is? It's really high. Okay, let's go to the other rows. You have a seat here, 2 seats here. There are lots of pockets on the door panels or the body panels. A lot of windows. There are pockets. Also pockets there. And a speaker here, and also sliding window. The last rows can be pulled up like that, so you can have more space for your cargo. And they come also with tools for your jack and your fire extinguisher and early warning device. Actually, this car is so high, I'm just almost standing here and walking around. So this is the latch for your trunk, and you have defoggers, air vents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 air vents in total. And this is how it looks like from the second row. There you go. I think the winning factor for this car is really the price and what you get in return. This Foton Traveller, and it also comes with Euro 4 technology. Usually when you go to Euro 4, you have increase of price, huge increase of price, but this car is very reasonable, and the engine is world class. So you have 4 sensors also at the back, and I'm guessing you will just need to add the camera feature for your traveling experience. There's the antenna. So this car is available here in Foton Pasig. This is a 1,495,000 pesos SRP. If you're looking for the best deals, please contact them in the description below. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Ju from SoJooCars. May your dreams come true.